Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah and we're back with a plan with me for October's bullet journal. I will be using these markers to create an autumn leaf theme for this month. And starting with the cover page, I'm creating autumn colored leaves. Right now I'm kind of making circular motions to get a rough shape of the tree, and then I'm going to be using a stippling technique, which is basically dotting to kind of create a nice leaf effect. I'll be speeding up the dotting process in this video, and I love the effect that stippling creates, and using this technique, it is pretty easy for anyone else to recreate this cover page as well. After I finish drawing out the trunk, I will be using a different colored marker to draw another tree next to it, and I'm gonna continue doing that until we kind of fill up the bottom half of the page. I'll be using the markers I used for the trees, and I will be imitating leaves that have fallen down. On the top of the page, I'm just going in with a brown marker and writing in October in faux calligraphy. You can finish up right here, or you can be like me and add some extra leaves in the empty space. I'm just adding in a few finishing touches before we finish our cover page. Moving on to the quote page, I will be drawing a leaf border on the bottom right and the top left of the page with these really simple leaf designs. Once the border is complete, I will be writing in the quote of the month, which is, "The trees are about to show us how beautiful it is to let go." Afterwards, I will be filling in the empty space with the leaves once again. This will conclude my cover and quote page. I'm very happy with how they turned out. Now we're moving on to the calendar page, and here I've already pre-drawn and cut out the calendar. I'm simply going to glue this in, and then I'm gonna draw around it. So this month's calendar is quite simple. I'm making a smaller version of the trees from the cover page, and I will be writing October over these trees. For the bottom of the page, I will be drawing in 2 large leaves, and one will be dedicated for important events and the other will be for goals. I will be doing these colorful polka dots in the empty space rather than the large leaves. Moving on to the final spread of this video, I will be creating a mood tracker. I'm keeping it pretty simple with these easy leaf drawings, and after I'm done drawing a variety of leaves, I will be numbering them off. The last step here is adding in a legend for a variety of moods, and this will complete my mood tracker. Thank you so much for reaching the end of this video, and please enjoy the final flip through.